Number 1. Works Pegasus Folding Work Table. It holds up to 300 pounds. As a work table, supports 1,000 pounds. 2 quick clamps are integrated and stay attached even when you fold the table into a Sawhorse. Because they're designed specifically for the Pegasus, they'll be stronger and last longer. Foldable design makes it easy to move and store. Create a whole work counter when you link 3 or more Pegasus together. Whether your worksite or workshop is spacious or tight, this building solution expands or contracts to fit your needs. On the bottom of the Work Pegasus we've made a place to hold a power strip or supplies. Perfect extra shelf or storage for your workspace. Made out of a dependable, molded abs with steel supports and fittings. This table will be with you for the long haul. Number 2. Black & Decker Portable Workbench. Classic portable folding work table and vise for carpentry, woodworking, DIY projects, automotive work and more. Holds up to 550 pounds with heavy gauge steel frame and laminated bamboo stock worktop. Adjustable jaws, vertical clamping, and 4 adjustable swivel pegs for irregularly shaped objects. Folds open and closed in seconds for easy setup and storage. Number 3. Disston Portable Workbench. Multi-purpose work table, scaffold, dolly, and creeper with 10-piece jigsaw blade set offers unlimited project potential for professional contractors as well as home users. Adjustable height legs can be extended, shortened, or collapsed to accommodate your work needs. Compact, portable workbench is lightweight at only 32 pounds and can be easily stored in your workshop, garage, or home. Work surface with 500-pound load capacity can accommodate large projects such as woodworking, automotive repair, and moving supplies. 110 volts power strip, drill hole, steel hammer.
Number 5. Workmate 225 Portable Workbench. Ideal for cutting, sawing, painting, and other projects that require a vise, sawhorse and bench millimeters tool stand. Heavy gauge steel frame. Supports up to 450 pounds. Fold underneath the workbench to lower its height for larger projects. Adjustable rear jaws and 4 swivel pegs. Warp-resistant jaws provide a unique gripping range and the ability to clamp irregularly shaped objects. Lightweight, foldable workbench opens and closes in seconds, so you can store it anywhere or millimeters hang it up with other tools. Weight 28 pounds. Number 6. Workmate 1000 Portable Workbench. Heavy gauge steel frame of the portable workbench securely supports up to 550 pounds. The garage workbench has a quick folding design mechanism for portability and easy storage. Innovative, fast one-handed clamp system allows clamps to be adjusted instantly together. Large working surface and adjustable jaws. Includes 4 adjustable swivel pegs for easy clamping of irregularly shaped objects. Quick clamping with flexible clamping options. One-hand quick folding. Easy and compact.
Number 7. Workmate 225 Portable Work Table. Workbench transforms into a vise, sawhorse, and bench tool stand. Steel design holds up to 450 pounds. Adjustable jaws include swivel pegs for a unique gripping range. Measures 30.2 by -6.8 by -24.1 inches, weighs 28 pounds. Includes 4 vise attachments. Number 8 WORKPRO Miter Saw Stand. Folding and telescoping legs, with quick folding design. The legs can be easily and quickly folded into the work table and then be fixed for becoming a dolly. What's more attractive is Workbench owns telescoping legs which have 3 nodes, allowing you to adjust it to 3 different heights. Large non-slip feet generates a broad, ultra-stable stance to stay where you place them. Robust steel frame and reversible panel, the entire frame is made of sturdy light metal and has a carrying capacity up to 330 lb. Locking legs provide a rock-solid work surface, which also ensures durability and longevity. This workbench also has a detachable countertop which has 2 different surfaces. One side has anti-skid grain, facilitating a person to stand above or stack heavy goods.